Alright, hello and welcome back to my Retro City Rampage Clone in Unity tutorial. Today we're just going to be finishing off like the final little bits of the weapon functionality for the player. So basically we've got basic animations, fire rate, so weapons just fire different speeds, simple, and what was the other one? Oh fuck, I've forgotten it. Oh god, whatever. I'll just show you. Basically, we got the machine gun. Hold down F. It just fires, and then, as you can see, it's run out of ammo. We've got no ammo. But if we switch to where's the weapon? Pistol. Well, that should have worked, but whatever. It fires slower and has less ammo, and now it's run out. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing. I'll show you how it's done, and I'm sorry if I sneeze because I've got bloody hay fever and the summer sucks. But yeah. Alright, so last time we added an attack rate to the weapon container, and we also have ammo, which we added a while ago, which, if I show you here, basically, say Thompson's got 30 rounds and fires once every tenth of a second, whereas the pistol's got 7 rounds and fires once every quarter of a second. And shotgun and bat, yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So, how do we do this? Well, first we've got a boolean called can attack, which basically defines can we attack. And we've got the attack timer, which is basically just a countdown from when we fired a bullet. It starts counting down. It gets the attack rate, and when it reaches 0, we can attack again. So, let's see. The new method we've added is an attack monitor, which, if I can see, is here. Basically, we'll go through the fire weapon first, changes first. So basically, one thing we've changed is the input.get key is now, well, it has been this line here for detecting the train. Sorry about that. Basically, input.get key returns true every time, every frame, that F's being pressed, whereas input.get key down would only return true in the first frame where F was being pressed. So like you'd have to keep pressing F repeatedly to fire bullets, whereas with this change, you just hold down F and it fires. Basically, we've got the check if it's not a melee weapon, which I think I added, but I don't know if that was in last time, but basically we check if the current weapon is a melee weapon or not. If can attack is true, and the current weapon ammo is more than 0, then it goes through the normal stuff, but we added a new line, or 2 new lines actually, to both of these, which are the same. We set can attack is equal to false, and we've reduced the current ammo of the current weapon, which is stored on a separate game object here on the game controller. And if we go back, we got a similar situation on the another train. Eat shit, Virgin. Yeah. So we've got basically just sets can attack as false because we don't have ammo for melee weapons, but still uses the attack boolean. And the reason we set a can attack to false is that if it's false, because attack monitor is called like every frame in the update function, it will set the current sprite to firing. So as you can see, I've not the wrong program, but whatever. Oh god, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, basically it changes to like a little sprite for a little flash at the end of the gun, just to like give the impression of animation, and counts down the timer. Once that's the attack timer is less than or equal to 0, it sets can attack to true, so you can fire another bullet, and resets the weapon sprite to normal, and resets the attack timer to whatever the attack rate was of the current weapon. And there was one more thing. we added a quick on the set current weapon. Basically, the attack, it adds a function to set a line to set the attack timer to the current weapon's attack rate if you like pick up another weapon or change it or whatever. Yeah, I think that's all it is. It was quite simple this time. If I didn't tell you about that one, that was just a line. No, I did that in the melee one. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of weapon functionality. We might go back to it for sound or GUI or something, or just to make the animations a bit better, because right now the melee one is a bit shit. I'll just show you why. It's a bit off for... yeah, it's a bit off like that, or whatever. So yeah. Cheers for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Just got the attack monitor in there. Got the other checks for fire weapons, change to the input, the attack monitor. And yeah, that should be pretty much it. Let's check now what else we've added. No. So yeah, cheers for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hotline Miami assets are available on itch.io. And yeah, look, go play loud or quiet. I recently updated it with 2 new levels, a load of bug fixes, so you can actually fire shotguns now. Hopefully. Yeah, bye.